Hey guys, Kasakai, welcome back to Code with Bahuli. And today we are gonna write a code in HTML to wish all the women's a very happy Women's Day. So let's begin. So first we'll start with doc type. So we just enlarge it so that you guys can see it. Caps lock doc type HTML. This is like a very familiar term to you all. Then next we are gonna write HTML lang, that is English, en. Then we are going to write the head. Then we are gonna go on the next line and write about meta character set, that is char set is equals to UDF 8. Okay. Then we will just write a meta UPOD, that is meta. Remember, it should be in lowercase. Viewport. We write content equals to width. We are going to keep it device width only. Width is equals to device width. Then initial. We're gonna keep the scale as 1 only for the width. 1.0. Okay. Keep your space. Initial. Okay, let's go ahead. Now we are going to give the title to the page. That would be of course Happy Women's Day. Title, keep your space. Okay, let's go ahead. We're gonna describe the style, how we want to style it. Okay, so let's start with the body. Background color. Now here we're gonna write this particular thing. I want a very dark background for it, like for the page, so that my text appears very clear to all. So for that I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'll just comment this here, dark background. Okay, and this comment is now on the next line we are gonna write a font that we are supposed to use here for the page. So for that I'm using font family, and I want it to be Arial, and I want sans serif. So sans serif. Okay, cool. अभी एरर दिखाएगा, थोड़ा सा रेड दिखा रहा है. You just need to add some space here. Yeah, no worries of this. Afterwards it will work. And try putting some space over here too. Okay, I just made one thing. Yeah, now it's all clear. Now we're gonna text align. This is very important to align all the text that we are gonna write in center. padding. Padding मतलब जितना amount of space that we want to leave from the side. Then margin I'm keeping it 0. Then I'm also giving the color. I want the text to be light. Okay, so there is this code for that, F5, F5, and also again F5. Okay, and I'll again comment this out here. Okay, and now we will write here light text. Okay, I'll just make this things little स्पेस दे देती हूँ इधर पे, and let's just end this bracket here. Now for heading 1, H1 I'm gonna use here, and I'm gonna start the bracket here. I'll just write it from here only. Font size I want, let's keep it 55 px. Now we're gonna set the color for it. I want the color to be like pinkish, like soft pink kind of, so I'll use here F06292. so basically even I don't know the color shade for pink and all those stuff in HTML. Even I have googled it to find the colors combination code, so even you can do the same for your codes, no issues at all. Now we're gonna with font weight, let's keep it bold. Yeah, okay, keep some space so that it doesn't show any red things on your code. Now I'm gonna write the text shadow. I need some text shadow. Keep it 2px. Also again 2px, and then write 8px, and RGB code at I guess you know RGBA. So initialize the R with 0, again 0, again a 0, and then go with 0.5. Okay, cool. यहाँ पे थोड़ा रेड दिख रहा है, doesn't matter. When you will execute the code, कुछ नहीं होगा. Now we'll go with P, that's para. Font size 24 px. Now I want a color to be as like light blue for this particular thing, so I'm gonna write 81 D4 FA. Okay, and now also write light blue. I'm just writing this for your reference. You don't need to actually write this. Okay, I just forget one thing, margin. Okay, then 20 px 0. Okay, and end it over here. Now the most important thing, that is the message that we want to print here. Okay, so I'll just write here message में I'm gonna write
a few minutes later.
मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा कोड लिख दिया है, बिकॉज इफ़ आई स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग विद दैट ऑल्सो राइटिंग में थोड़ा टाइम चला जाता है एंड फिर वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज़ मेरे को यहाँ पे मैसेज प्रिंट करना है. सो मैसेज मैंने लिखा है बैकग्राउंड कलर, मेरे को वाइब्रेंट येलो कलर यूज़ करना है यहाँ पे. सो उसका कलर कोड इज़ दिस. ओके, देन आई हैव यूज पैडिंग 25px. देन बॉर्डर रेडियस, वो बॉर्डर कितना इस साइज का होना चाहिए, तो 10px. और फॉन्ट साइज इज 28px. एंड फॉन्ट वेट मेरे को बोल्ड चाहिए. एंड वो सारे जो टेक्स्ट होंगे वो अपर केस में. अगेन बॉक्स शेडो सेम RGB है एंड दिस थिंग्स. मार्जिन बॉटम से मेरे को 30 का चाहिए था px में. देन फुटर में मेरे को एक फुटर मतलब सबसे एंड वाला जो फुटर बोलते हैं, एंड वाला मैसेज, वो मेरे को डार्क ग्रे में चाहिए. इसलिए मैंने ये कोड यूज़ किया है. पैडिंग अगेन 15px. देन कलर कोड फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. फॉन्ट साइज, मार्जिन टॉप, बॉर्डर रेडियस, एवरीथिंग इज सेम, जस्ट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज डिफरेंट. देन आई वॉन्ट अ पॉपअप मैसेज टू अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, सो पहले डिस्प्ले नन लिखा है मैंने. Then I have used position fixed, Z index that I have kept as 1, left से 0, top से 0, width and height मैंने 100% कर दिया है. Also RGBA में मैंने 0.7 रखा है एंड में. ओके, देन पॉपअप का कंटेंट, जो पॉपअप का जो मैसेज है उसके बाद जो पॉपअप होगा उसके लिए सेम थिंग्स यूज किए हैं मैंने यहाँ पे. यू कैन सी हियर. Yeah, also then when you go down, same things I've used here for pop-up. Then I've used close करने के लिए. Then close, hover and focus. ठीक है. Then I'm gonna end the style वाला tag, style head. Okay, then go with, I'm gonna write a heading 1. पहले तो I want it to be printing as women's happy women's day in the beginning. So happy women's day H1 I'm gonna write here. This is heading 1. Okay, so paragraph tag, we're gonna use the paragraph tag here, and we are gonna write here a message that would be celebrating. What should I write? Celebrating all the incredible women making the world a better place. Okay, and I'm gonna end this paragraph tag. Okay, so I'm gonna use this tag here. Class is equals to, I'm gonna write a message. Then I'm gonna end it, and I'm gonna write here I'll write you are powerful, inspiring and amazing. Okay, now this an exclamation mark here, and I'll end this tag here. Cool. Now I wanna include a trigger button here, like the pop-up ones wala. Okay.
Few moments later.
Okay, so now I have written your trigger button जो हमें pop-up use करना है. So for that, button on click is equal to show pop-up. ये use करना होता है like whenever you want to show any pop-up message in your page. So style font ओके, फॉन्ट साइज 20px, पैडिंग वही सब चीज़ें पिछड़े वाले ऊपर जो लिखे है, एंड द मैसेज दैट द वेब पेज इज गोना डिस्प्ले इज क्लिक फॉर स्पेशल मैसेज. ओके, बटन वाला टैग एंड कर दो. तो फिर पॉपअप मॉडल, जब आप उस क्लिक करोगे उस बटन के ऊपर तो क्या पॉपअप होगा, कैसे पॉपअप होगा, तो उसके पीछे का प्रोसेस इज दिस. इधर माई पॉपअप किया, क्लास पॉपअप, देन ऑल्सो यहाँ पे पॉपअप कंटेंट आएगा, स्पैन में क्लास इज इक्वल टू क्लोज, ऑन क्लिक क्लोज पॉप, मतलब अगर आप वो जो क्रॉस साइन डिस्प्ले होगा उसके ऊपर क्लिक करोगे तो वो क्लोज हो जाएगा पॉपअप. एंड टाइम्स, एंड मतलब कितने भी टाइम्स, एंड ऑल्सो वो हेडिंग जो उस बटन को क्लिक करने पे आएगा, दैट विल बी यू आर अ सुपर वुमन, कीप इंस्पायरिंग एवरीवन विद योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड ग्रेस. ओके, तो ये डिवीजन टैग यहाँ पे मैंने एंड कर दिया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट अ फुटर फॉर दिस. सो डिवीजन क्लास equals to footer. Footer में we are gonna write here a message that is let's write what should we write? Let's write keep shining bright today and every day. Sorry, today and every day. Put this exclamation and end this tag over here. Sorry, slash. Now we're gonna write a script for it. Use the script here. Script. Now we are gonna write your script में functions. Script में we'll just comment this one thing, that is
to show the pop-up. Just simply gonna write the pop-up. Okay, and you're gonna write function. Function show pop-up. Okay. Document dot get element by id, that is my pop-up. Style dot display block. Okay, and now we're gonna just finish this. Okay, now we're gonna write a final thing, that is function to close the pop-up. या इसमें ज्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है, सिर्फ इधर क्या बोलते हैं, सेम ही रखना है. दिस ब्लॉक की जगह पे यहाँ पे नन लिखना है. सो जस्ट कॉपी दिस, कंट्रोल V, एंड हियर आई जस्ट राइट हियर नन, एंड नाउ वी आर गोना राइट हियर एंड आल्सो वी आर गोना राइट हियर स्लैश स्क्रिप्ट. देन आल्सो वी आर गोना एंड इट विद हैशटैग बॉडी, sorry, it's not hashtag, tag वाला body. Okay, and now we are gonna write it with slash html. Yeah, HTML. Okay, that's it. The code is done.
you're gonna simply save the file. Okay, let's write here women's day dot html. We're gonna save it. Now let's go on to the another folder. You can see a Women's Day. So here it is, Happy Women's Day, celebrating all the incredible women, making the world a better place. You are powerful, inspiring and amazing. And now let's click here for a special message, that is, you are a superwoman, keep inspiring everyone with your strength and grace, keep shining bright today and every day. So as you all know that today is a special day, that is International Women's Day, and we are here to celebrate this day and to celebrate the strength and the brilliance of women across the world. And I would like to say that to all the incredible women out there, whether you're coding, creating, leading or inspiring, you are powerful, you're unstoppable, and you are making a difference every single day. So Let's continue to break these barriers, chase our dreams, and uplift each other. So happy Women's Day once again. Keep shining and keep conquering. Thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए goodbye.